So for this, I'm using something I created, which is just a little basic AI that runs around, and you can click on him and tell him to go somewhere. After a while, he'll start running back. So the math I was telling you about is right here for our mouse click. The convert mouse location to world space, which the Z is not right on this. Like, this does not get a correct Z. No matter what, it doesn't have a Z. Even though it's a vector, it's only X and Y, this convert mouse. So you're always going to have to create your own Z location. But this gets us our correct X and Y right here. We break the vector of both of these, get the Z, divide it, multiply it by the world direction, multiply that by -1 so we could flip it, and then we plus that with our world direction and break that vector, which gets us a correct XY and then 200 on the Z. So I'm going to use my AI to do the attack. Gonna go, and I'm gonna go into my behavior tree. Let's see. I think this is the, yeah, move to the player click location. Okay. I'm gonna create a new task. So I'm gonna go into my floating controller. This is when I set my AI stuff. So we're going to we are going to set a variable in here. We'll call it, I'm gonna call it enemy. We're gonna just make this an object. I don't think we just need an object, I'm pretty sure. And then I'm gonna make a new blueprint for this enemy as an enemy. I'm just gonna make a box that we can click on. It's gonna go and attack. So I'm gonna make this a new blueprint class. I'm doing this on my second screen. Just making an actor. Let's go on a BP enemy. And see, we want cube. clicked, we're going to get player controller. Cast to my player controller. And from there, we're going to set is enemy. Or enemy, not is enemy. Reference is going to be itself. So now we can have a reference to the enemy. That's the move, attack. Let's see, we're going to... This information is going to actually have to get passed off to my AI, so my AI can... No, not actually the player. 1 second here. Go to the AI and give them the same thing. We need another object. Okay, so now we need to go back to our player. Well, I need to do this unless you're going to set it up on an AI as well. You want to set enemy again. Which is going to be our enemy. Okay. Now we can go in. On our attack enemy. So we're going to need to get our enemy. And then get its world location. Maybe we do. I think to get its world location, we do have to set it something different than an object then. So we gotta come. Unless for some reason it's not saved somewhere. So we need to make it to its actual class. So we gotta change this. And change it to enemy. And now we need to come into the enemy. Hash may be invalid. Set enemy. And look at AI. Change this to our enemy. Okay. There we go. Now we can get our world location. So now we can get the world location of our box. We're gonna need to create another blueprint. This needs to be an actor. I'm just gonna call it attack. And use a sphere. Okay, so we're gonna get the world location of the enemy we clicked on. This is actually after it already moved to it for my AI. So after we move to it, we're going to spawn actor. And get our own location for its spawn point. Attack. Maybe attack. Probably get our rotation too. Okay, so we're gonna spawn it at our location. the actor location of our spawned actor. We're going to lerp. And set actor location. I don't know if I can do that in here. Yeah, there it is, set an actor location. And then you said you had seen the other video, and for anyone else who watches the video, I've got another video which shows how to set up a loop on a bool. So if you were doing this outside of AI, you would just do this on that loop. And I'm gonna set up my own bool for my AI. Let's see. This is AI, and it's a task that needs to finish its execute. And then for me, I'm going to come into my tree, and here I'm going to create a key. Set as bool. I'm just gonna make this true, so that means even if I don't click on an enemy, it's gonna be true, but that's alright. Main tree. Set a boolean for this. And move this over. Another sequence. We don't need any of these, it doesn't matter for these. We can add another one though, we need one of them. Add blackboard core for is attacking is set. We'll do our task, attack enemy. Success true. I think I'll put that in there anyways. And then I'll do a wait. So I think that's it. I think this should work now. We might need to change the alpha a little bit. Lerps can be super powerful. so he's not allowed to get very close to the guy before he starts attacking. He does like a ranged attack. We'll do 500. I think it's ready. I think that should be it. Let's see. I gotta minimize. Put enemy out there to click on. Alright, let's see if this works. Sorry about the lag. The recording program I use for some reason uses a tremendous amount of video energy. Where'd our little AI go? There he is. He's hiding behind the trees. Go attack him. There you click on the box. Do some debug. See if I turn this down. Maybe that'll help. Do it right there. Let's go to the characters. Yeah, I was just thinking about that. We never put this back in, so enemy is not getting set to our... We're not telling if it's an enemy or not to our AI. Okay, now let's see if it works. Okay, I still don't think he's getting clicked on. Maybe before we go into full debug mode, let's try putting him down a little bit lower. Maybe he's too high. I'll move my player a little bit so I don't have to worry about moving him once the game starts. So it doesn't look like I'm clicking on him, so let's do some debugging to see if I am actually clicking on him. Let's see, we need to go to, let's start off the enemy. String. right? So when we're clicking, I am clicking on it, it is setting the reference here. Come to player controller. I don't think that would have caused it, but I'm about to find out. We're gonna do a print string here. Let's see if this one is valid. That did not very much look valid. It looked like it came back empty. Oh, maybe because I'm killing my... It should be at the very end. This is when I kill the reference to the AI that you clicked on. Okay, so that was right. It said I clicked on the enemy. But now we can remove this and go to character. Oh, that's right, that one's... Let's do it. Doesn't attack the enemy, so that wouldn't work with a print string there. I actually think I ran into this problem where when I was doing this before, where the AI doesn't run to what you click on. Let's see. I was actually thinking about it. Technically, you should have been attacking. Oh, he's not moving to player clicked location. I have 2 player clicked locations for some reason. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this had this open. I'm not sure what I was trying to do here. Save it all. And then try this. Is attacking should have set. What we could do is I'm gonna copy this, bring it over here. I'm gonna say if it is not set, it's gonna abort itself if it is. Tacking is false. It shouldn't be false. That should be true. I don't know why that's false. That was not true. That's true right there though. Never mind. I don't know why it is wanting to do that. There we go. Okay, they aren't moving. So put this higher maybe. And it should, I guess this technically only fires once. Might have to put it in the actual attack. I think we're gonna have to put it actually into the tag. So I'm going to copy this. BP attack. Let me make this on our tick. Could be wrong with if these alerts were in the wrong inputs, but I'm pretty sure this is only going to fire once, and we can't put it in here. Try it again really quick. Now it's so it's on his side. So it was right, but it needs to go into the attack. Close that. Okay, so we need to. The first one's fine. It's our location, but the second one we need to get AI controller. It doesn't need to have that actor reference. Master controller. Compile this real quick. Guess we'll see if it works here in a second. Get stored pawn. Right. Should have. I thought I was storing the pawn. Okay, I'm not. So I'm gonna do that really quick. We're going to begin play. We need to. Actually, we don't need to play. We can do it on within possessed. Variable stored.